Starting with the initial contact of our office staff, the legacy inspection process is a unique experience. Your home inspection will be scheduled and a confirmation email will be sent to you and your real estate agent. A pair of inspectors will arrive early to the home and begin inspecting the exterior of the property. If safe to do so, the roof will be accessed for inspection. Finally, before going inside, the garage will be checked. Upon entering the home, if a radon test is to be performed, one of the inspectors will begin installing the equipment. One inspector will turn on the heat. The second inspector will then begin inspecting the furnace. While one inspector is in the basement checking the furnace, the second inspector will check the heat registers for proper airflow. During the plumbing portion of the inspection, one inspector will access all bathrooms and kitchens and laundry areas, running lots of water, checking for leaks, and making sure drainage is adequate. While in the basement, one inspector will locate the main drain as well as the main plumbing supply to the home. An inspector will inspect the plumbing supply lines and plumbing drain lines, making careful note of which materials are used for both. The inspector will inspect the water heaters, making note of the age and condition, as well as inspecting for common safety defects. During the electrical inspection, an inspector will remove the cover from the panel and check for adequate service and distribution. The foundation will be inspected. The inspector will look for cracks, bowing, and water seepage. He will then check the beams and posts that support the upper levels of the home. While the first inspector continues to work in the basement, the second inspector will begin inspection of the interior of the home. The doors will be checked. The outlets will be checked. All windows will be checked for proper operation. The inspector will also examine windows for seal leaks. After inspecting the entire living area of the home, the inspector will continue on to the kitchen, where he will check all appliances. Towards the end of the inspection, the inspector will access all possible attic areas. The inspectors will make their final notes, print a report, review the report with the buyer, and then email the report to the buyer, the attorney, and the realtor from the site of the inspection.